This the first of my plot views. I call it that for, well, I really shouldn't explain myself why. And it's mostly about stuff I find interesting and whatnot. This first one will definitely be about those people that just protect things a little too much. You know, the views. They're everywhere, you know. Religion, politics, education, entertainment, porn, books, porn, anime, countries, everywhere. And, you know, the best example right now would definitely be Twilight fans that just won't listen to it. Like, you know, there's those that can take the constructive criticism, but there's also those that will just pretty much kill you merely for not being neutral towards it. Well, nah, that's exaggerating, but you know what I mean.
Well, today I just found out that some idiot just said that Twilight sucks. And I, for one, am pissed off. It really pisses me off when people don't admit it is the greatest love story of all times. And I just can't take it anymore. I have kidnapped a monkey. If whoever says Twilight sucks does not apologize and admits that it is the best story ever written, the monkey gets it.
Well, I hope my point has been made. That was pretty much it. It wasn't that long. And peace out.